Heathcliff, stop! This is your third fight today. Stop!
Heathcliff, drop that fish, you miserable nuisance! Oh, I'll get you, you miserable little...
Come on, Heathcliff. Share for once. Never mind.
I'm sorry. I don't know what's gotten into Heathcliff. Well, yes, he's always been feisty, but I'll try to think of something.
Stop!
Oh, my goodness. Who's this? And what did Heathcliff do now? He what? I'm sorry. Yes, I'll think of something. Yes. Oh, we've got to do something about Heath. I got it. We just don't have any other choice. You'll like the nice doctor, Heathcliff.
I don't need a shrink. I'm not crazy.
Well, of course we can fix in the schmitten kittens there. Such a cute little fella.
This guy sounds like something from a bad monster movie.
It won't hurt him, will it, Doc?
He will love it. Just a few sessions, and he'll be a wonderful cat there. So, Heathcliff, when did you starting to be one bad kitty there, hmm?
Brace yourself for the pudgy tornado. Heathcliff, dinner.
If you want the good life, you got to be good.
Heathcliff, is that you?
Huh?
Hello, Spike. Fine morning, isn't it?
Huh?
Top of the day to you, fellas. Have a good trip. What a beautiful, good day.
Heathcliff, I thought you'd be after the milkman about now.
Me? Oh, I'd much rather look for something good to do.
He'd rather do what?
The bird in the hand is a no-no.
You cute little fluff ball.
So, what's it gonna be? The Bow Wow is not just man's best friend there. He is your pal, too.
After you.
Say what? Heathcliff?
None other, dear canine friend. Shall we proceed?
That's all right. You first.
No, dear puppy. You.
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 You!
If you insist.
The anger only gives you the wrinkle.
Give that back! If it's not Heathcliff, it's you troublemakers!
Don't do it. You'll get the big bellyache there.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Great, huh, guys?
I just can't believe you the last couple of days, Heathcliff. You're so nice.
The sharing kitty is the caring kitty.
Give me that.
Fighting just gives you sore little paws there.
Come on, fight, you wimp. What are you, some kind of chicken?
Go ahead, Heathcliff. Nail him!
Hey, look, guys. We're fishing for a Heathcliff.
There's one now.
Don't catch that one. It's all yellow.
It's not easy being good. Oh, it's not much fun, neither.
Here, Heathcliff, fetch.
The fish on the sidewalk is dirty.
Just this once, please.
Shh. Hmm? Something downstairs. Might be a burglar.
A burglar? Are you sure? Heathcliff would have made a ruckus if a burglar was...
Heathcliff's not the same. He's changed. And it's all my fault. Dragging him to that kooky doctor. You'd better call the police.
Oh, I wish he were the same old Heathcliff.
So do I.
Shh. Huh? Just passing through. Nice flashlight, huh? Nice kitty. Thank you. Meow. Nice doggy.
Don't be getting all flabberbobs there.
Oh, shut up. Nobody does that to Spike except me.
Oh, Heathcliff, good for you! Oh!
Well, thanks for your help, good buddy. You've got a fine cat there, sir. You should be proud.
We are. You see that? That's my Heathcliff.
Welcome, Heathcliff.
Glad to have you back.
What am I doing? I must be nuts.
This will be the greatest creation of Screwloose. If only I can think of the final touch. Then I shall win the grand prize and all that money. Voila! The inspiration! masterpiece! The crowning glory of Screwloose LeTrek! It is finished! I am the greatest! You ugly dog! Oui, you will watch this painting while I go bring the great art critic Rex Snob to see this.
See what?
This! You must protect it while I am gone. Make sure that no one even breathes near this creation.
Sure, I'll protect whatever it is I'm supposed to protect. That's one crazy cat. A neat junkyard is a happy junkyard. Think I'll take a little nap.
Yum. Yeah, bet there's some good stuff in that bag. Boy, this can's deeper than it looks. Gee, it is deep.
Get your head out of that painting, stupid.
Must have bumped my head really hard. This junkyard looks a little goofy.
Mungo! Where are you?
Hi, Riffraff. I'm right here.
Where's here, you fish brain?
Get away from that! You miserable cat! I'm gonna...
Not bad for a painting of the junkyard. One little thing missing, though. The top of my garbage can.
You imbecile! Get away from that! Stay away from my masterpiece!
Magnificent. Magnificent indeed.
It is. I mean, of course, she is extraordinaire. She is a Screwloose.
Brilliant. An energetic, wonderful creation. A new period in the career of Screwloose.
Do you think it will win the grand prize? And the money?
But of course.
You miserable, ugly dog. You will help us transport this painting to the gallery. Oui? Perhaps the box of doggy treats will change your mind.
What's happening? Earthquake! Boy, this sure is a weird garbage can.
Get back here with Mungo, you catnappers!
Some painting of the junkyard, huh? That crazy artist should thank me for putting the top on the garbage can.
You fur brain, Mungo's in that garbage can.
Say what?
Here's a board you can ride through the countryside.
In the nick of time. Follow that truck.
What's going on?
Who said that?
Me. Who said that?
There goes Mungo. About face. You still in there, Mungo?
Hi, Riffraff. I'm here, but I think I'm standing on the ceiling.
How are we gonna get him out?
We gotta think of something before they notice this thing's missing.
What? Where did my masterpiece go?
It went that way.
All right, I'll raise the power.
Stop flying that masterpiece! You bonehead dog! Hold on to it! You are so real, so alive, so extraordinaire. After winning the prize tomorrow, this painting will be sent on exhibit around the world. For 10 years.
For 10 years? Alley-oop, Wordsworth. Don't worry, Mungo. We won't let you stay there 10 years.
Good. I already ate all the food.
Try to knock yourself against the lid.
Yeah, whatever you say, boss. I don't think it's gonna work, boss.
There has to be a way to get Mungo out. Aha! I got it!
We'll take off the paint with the remover here. Then good old Mungo's in the clear.
Better hurry, guys. Leroy's serious.
Whoa! Hey, who turned out the lights?
Out!
Don't worry, buddies. We'll get you out of there.
What's going on in here?
Nothing, Mr. Screwloose.
Are you all right, my little masterpiece?
We're all right, but it's a mighty dark night.
No! Talking paintings! That's ridiculous. I must be tired. The rest! I need the rest!
Either this plan works or it's goodbye, Mungo and Wordsworth.
Goodbye, Mungo.
No, we can't do that.
Lovers of great art, it is time to reveal the masterpiece of Screwloose.
Brilliant, Screwloose. The grand prize winner.
Grab hold, buddies.
Enough is enough!
One,
two, three. Have a nice day.
Bye.
At least I won the grand prize.
Since the garbage in that painting was so yummy, I decided we might want a work of art of our own.
This wouldn't be a big problem if Spike was wearing his license. If the dog catcher picks up your dog and he's wearing a license, you can be notified. If he doesn't have one, the pound doesn't know who to call. So be sure your dog has a license and make sure he has it on at all times. You right, Spike?
Heathcliff, no one should terrify their neighborhood. But Heathcliff just won't be undone, playing pranks on everyone.
Lucky Joe!